Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny, the Moistmaker. It's a friend's polish. I'm going to be using stamping plate C039 and BM-03 and Maniology 8 and hit the bottle. I blew it all on polish. I'm going to get started with IMK's Peeleze, and here's Moonshine Manny's, the Moistmaker. This is so ethereal looking to me. It's just fairy in a bottle. It's so pretty. I say so pretty just way too much in my videos. I do realize that I'm doing this, and I'm going to try to cut back on it and use other words for descriptions. We will see. I might not have any luck with it. So the first coat's very sheer, and we will be going in. Look at that flash. Oh, I'm in love with this one. It might have to get a restraining order against me. I'm in love. I'm infatuated. It's so stinking gorgeous. There we go. Get another word. But this one's really pretty. It's up my alley for sure. So since my nails are super short, I'm going to stick with just 2 coats. And I'm going to top it with the I&Ms out the door. Get it to dry down so we can do some playing. As we always do here on my channel. Some sort of playing. Gonna get it to dry down and be glossy and all that good stuff. Capping that itty bitty pretty edge there. Ta-da! I'll be using this JT C039, and it's I don't know where I got this one. AliExpress, Born Pretty, Temu, Shein. I don't know. I have no idea where it came from, but it's a very cool plate. I've got it out of Maniology Cube Stamper. And I blew it all on polish by Hit the Bottle. And this is Bundle Monster number 8. It's so old. I don't know if they have, still have this color, but they've named it. But this was back when it was Bundle Monster, and it just got a number. So sad not to give it a name. But I'm using that Cube Stamper. And it's also for Maniology. And I'm cleaning off that plate with some acetone. And we're just going to put little leaf, viney leaf looking thing on all the nails. And then we're going to go back and put some little flowers on it. And then some gems. So we're going all out today. Going to be playing. And they're all going to look pretty much the same, not exactly in this, stamped in the same exact location, but they're all going to look pretty much the same. So I don't know why I'm showing this leaf thing over and over again, but I don't know, some of y'all like that, it doesn't bother you at all. And we're just going to keep on rolling with it. So here we go. Last little leafy thing. Alright, so we're going to clean it with some acetone because it's right by the flower I want to use. But I decided I'm going to use this one instead. I tried using the other one and it just wasn't doing right. So I'm using the BM-03 Old Bundle Monster plate with this little single flower on it. I really wanted to use that other one, but I don't know. I wasn't going to try other stamping polishes or nothing. I just decided to grab a different plate. But I probably should have tried some sticky stamping polish. That would have probably been the answer. And I'm sorry my camera's blurring out. I think I'm moving around too fast and it's having trouble focusing. But we're going to plop these little blue flowers on these nails. And then we're going to get to the gem play, which I'm really excited about. You guys know I typically don't wear gems on my nails much. But for this, it works because it's just one little gem on each nail. And it's flat, and I kind of case it in there real good with some top coat. And it didn't get stuck in my hair or bumped on anything, so I'm good with it. I can wear them like that. One of these days, maybe I'll be able to really bling out like an accent nail or something, but I'm not there yet. I'm still not quite there yet. We'll get there one day, I hope. Because I have lots and lots of boxes of gems and, charms and things that I could be using. Alright, a little bit of cleanup here with some acetone on a cleanup brush. Not a whole lot to clean up. It was a very clean stamping event. We're going to top these with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. And then I'm going to apply the sticky base. And I don't know why I'm putting it on the whole nail, because I only need it for the gem, for the center. Crazy woman. Got some in one of those little cups. And these are the purple little stones. Little bitty things. And I'm going to top them with the G-Gal. And this is made for going over gemstones. It doesn't cause them to get foggy. I haven't tried any of my other top coats to see if I could just use my regular top coat. But I figured I have this. Might as well use it. Had it for years. Okay, once that's dried down a little bit, I'm going in with my quick dry top coat. Today I'm using Poshe. And we're going to seal these all the way in and call it finished. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that shimmer is just banging out of that nail. Oh, it's so pretty. Stop it, Tina. Pretty. Ugh. So here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.